Oh, you see, he's pumping. He's extreme sports guy. Yeah. That's when you're young, you don't feel the pain. Yeah, that's funny. Is that? Well, I've told you this story many times, but you always wonder what when I was young, I could exercise on concrete when you think about it. And how was I doing that? Yeah.
I did that in Africa for a month. Slept on the Thames in Africa on a mattress because my friend.
Yeah.
I was just fine.
Yeah. Just dreaming of an African husband. That's Maritime Station.
I was having a jolly time.
Estación Maritima. Oh. See, there's nothing quite interesting. Yeah.
Go like those people?
But then there's nothing. That's the point.
Well, that's not obvious. You must be able to get through, no?
Yeah, certainly, but to get through to where?
To the beach there. Or do you want to go back in?
I don't think you can get this way. I think these are people that are taking the how do you call it? That are traveling or
Big islands.
yeah. Divers. You see those guys are divers there that go to train and I mean
people walking there to the car park.
yeah.
But yeah, let's go back there. We'll see.
Maybe we can take a boat and go somewhere or cross over. It's a station. It's kind of like where you buy tickets. And
Back to where we live.
why don't you go and get the information anyway? Annika, it's just educational this time. I'm a professional. And that's when do you dislike me the most? They have a cafeteria.
Let's go down there.
We can eat sandwich. It's perilous. You have a plaque here. So that's the boat, huh?
Let me take a picture of it.
So, with cars.
So why do they have a bottle of water on it?
Just someone just put it there. Yeah. So there's a terrace upstairs. Huh? Yeah, it's upstairs. Can I have lunch here? Yeah?
Get a table.
There will be a table for you. You won't see much, but unless you want to. But yeah, that's for. I think that's for buses or something.
Okay. Green line, it's like a bus. Yeah, let's walk back on the top here then.
Yeah. At least that's what everyone does. There's no card here. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So Fred Olsen is the ship now. Tell
Yeah,
me.
they just arrived.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why you see many of them. There's some strange things in Scandinavia, which is sometimes they're also the simplicity of life. I think. That's it there. That's what it's called. It's fine. Yeah. like when president travel, they have an ambulance with them. It's a nice walk. Yes. No, there's no beach. There's a port.
Okay.
This is where you can take a ferry.
Oh, right, okay.
And go under the bridge. And then come up there and walk. Oh yeah. Yes, but when you go back, there's a bridge there, underneath the road, there's a tunnel. So once you get under that tunnel, you will come out there. Those people walking there. And then you go there. You go around the wall. And we're pretty much going into that direction. Just my wife is no longer interested because she saw the beach already, but because there's a yes, it's continued forever, but the walking path is ends there, and no, not the police. If you look at the brown building there, so you would come under that building, and yeah, you will. When you come out, you're facing a wall. Then you turn left, and then you end up in the streets, and then you go into Los Cristianos.
That's what we need. I think
yeah. We are Las America as well, so we just.
Well, I hope
you're
you
welcome.
can find different.
You're welcome.
you're right. I think you said.
Yeah, you went past those people playing volleyball,
Yes, we passed.
and then you turn right. You